Physical and chemical changes. This is a chapter of class 7 and we are going to study in short about what kind of changes these are in this video. Now before moving on to the chemical change, I just want to tell you a few examples of the physical change. For example, anything that melts, for example melting of ice is there, melting of wax is there, it is a physical change. Why? Because if we cool it, we will get the wax or the ice back. You're getting my point? So if we cool the water again, we put it in the freezer, we will get ice back, and same way if we cool the molten wax, we will get the solid wax again. So this is one example of physical change, and another example of physical change is we can get crystals from a saturated solution. So crystals of that particular substance, about which we will be studying in detail in my upcoming video. Just remember that crystallization is a process by means of which we can get the crystals of a substance from its saturated solution. So these are a few examples of the physical changes. Now I can give you a few examples of the chemical changes also. For example, rusting is there, like rusting of iron. If you have seen, if we put iron outside, we will see that there is a brown layer on top of it, and this is what is the rust. This is again formed as a result of a chemical reaction between the iron, moisture, air. So these are some of the things which will come under the chemical changes. Why? Because a new substance has been formed. Clear? Same way, another example, very easy example which you can remember, that anything when it burns, for example magnesium ribbon burns, we get a new substance, wood burns, we get a new substance, coal burns, we get a new substance. Means we are getting a new substance in the form of the ash, and there are so many other substances which are released. For example, smoke is released, gases are released, light is there. So all these things are involved when we are performing a chemical reaction or there is a chemical change and we get a new substance. So what have we understood? That the basic difference between a physical and a chemical change is that in a physical change there is no new substance that is formed, whereas in a chemical change we get a new substance. And I'm sure children you would have got some idea about what these changes are, and about these we will study in detail in my upcoming video. So stay connected with me on my channel Rise to Shine. Thank you so much, students.